In this video, I'll show you how to unlock an AT&T phone so you can use it with any carrier, including T-Mobile, Verizon, or international SIM cards. Important AT&T unlock policy. AT&T phones do not unlock automatically. You must submit an unlock request. Key points. Applies to phones bought from AT&T. Applies to postpaid and prepaid devices. The device must be paid off in full. The phone must not be reported, lost, or stolen. Your AT&T account must be in good standing. If these conditions aren't met, AT&T will deny the request. Step 1. Check if your phone is already unlocked. To check, insert a SIM card from another carrier. Restart the phone. If you see signal bars or can make calls, your phone is already unlocked. If you see SIM not supported or network lock, it's still locked. Step 2. Make sure you meet AT&T requirements. Before requesting an unlock, postpaid phones must be active for at least 60 days. Prepaid phones need 6 months of paid AT&T service. The device must be paid in full. The account must have no past due balance. Step 3. Submit an AT&T unlock request. Go to AT&T's device unlock portal. Enter your phone's IMEI number. Submit the unlock request. AT&T will review it and email you the result. Step 4. Unlock after approval. Once approved, power off the phone, remove the AT&T SIM, insert a SIM from another carrier, restart the phone. If prompted, enter the unlock code. For iPhones, no code is usually required. The unlock happens automatically. For more details, check the link in the description. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. Have you unlocked an AT&T phone before, or are you planning to switch carriers? Let me know in the comments and stay tuned for more guides from Tekzoid.